Just finished building these two 2016 Jeep Wrangler JKs for a customer of ours on the island of Lanai. Both have BDS 3-inch suspension systems on with the Fox shock upgrade. Put 35-inch Mickey Thompson MTZ tires with the Mickey Thompson 17x9 Baja lock, which is a real nice combination. Gives it kind of that aggressive look they were looking for. Smitty built front and rear bumpers, XRC series with the side steps as well. Have some rocker guard protection as well as a step. Put some LED light bar up at the top. Threw a high lift jack up here on the hood. We also put another neat feature on these. They got these little steps to get up to the rack. Smitty built makes these steps, and you can step right on the step bar here and step up to get to the rack over here. Put one on the front door and one on the back door section over here. Pretty cool little feature for like the safari look. Coming on the back over here, we did a Smitty built rear bumper as well with, of course, the spare tire and the Smitty built basket over the spare tire. It holds the cooler really nicely. And then we custom put these roto packs. Got a couple of these on each side. Turned out really nice. And also we changed the interior on these. We put some Corbeau seats. I'll show you here. So we got the buckets front and rear. We did custom mounts to get these bucket seats in the rear with full shoulder harnesses and stuff. Turned out really awesome. A different look for the JK to get rid of that bench seat in the rear and go with the individual buckets.